If you're experiencing issues with Venmo transfers that remain pending, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common issues that may cause your transactions to be delayed. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause transactions to fail or remain pending. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify recipient's account. Confirm that the recipient's Venmo account is active and in good standing. If their account is limited or closed, your transfer may not go through. You can ask the recipient to check their account status. Step 3. Review payment method. Make sure that the payment method linked to your Venmo account is valid and has sufficient funds. If you are using a bank account or card, check for any issues with those accounts that might prevent the transaction from completing. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Outdated versions may have bugs or issues that can affect transaction processing. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If the transfer is still pending after checking the above steps, reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific information about your transaction and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of pending transfers on Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Venmo support.